Dear learners, welcome to Code Your Electronics. Today, we are here with brainstorming practice set for you. Till now, we have learnt enough coding to create some amazing, funny effects with Ironman. So, it is the time to check how much you have really learned. Challenge 1, Ultra Pulse Mode. What does 4 int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus do? Option A, starts blinking slowly. Option B, repeats the code block 5 times. Option C, waits for input. Correct answer is option B, repeats the code block 5 times. Challenge 2, Laser plus rocket launch. What does digitalWrite 3 high do? Option A, reads sensor. Option B, turns pin 3 on. Option C, turns off LED. Correct answer is option B, turns on pin D3. Challenge 3, Rainbow Alert. Which pin is usually used for Ironman's hand laser? Option A, D4, Option B, D3, Option C, D8. Correct answer is option A, D4. Challenge 4, Mega Blast Mode. How do you pause the code for 300 milliseconds? Option A, wait 300. Option B, delay 300. Option B, delay 300. Option C, delay. Correct answer is option B, delay 300. Challenge 5, Ready Mode. What does pin mod 9 output prepare? Option A, analog sensor input. Option B, laser activation. Option C, RGB LED control. Correct answer is option C, RGB LED control. Thank you for learning and growing with us. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Keep coding with us.